Here in Borneo, the river is the highway. It carries life, connecting villages, traditions, and stories older than memory. Every bend, every current, a path through the wild heart of this island, for the Dayak. The river runs deeper still. Not only a lifeline, but a sacred journey, a stairway to heaven, guiding spirits. From this world to the next.